Going on, everybody? Chris here from Fiddlebone. Got a different shape for you today. This looks like two beads, but it's not. It's one bead. It is our patriotic red, white, and blue. It's kind of like a pearlish blue and a pearlish red. You can see the refractions there in the blue and the red. Nice, well balanced, real attractive. It is. Never done this shape before, so it is a 1/2 inch high, like standing, and 3/4 wide, I'm gonna guess. Yep, 3/4 wide. Can be used for paracord bracelets, paracord lanyards, zipper pulls, all kinds of crazy stuff like that. There's one other red, white, and blue one up on the site if you wanted to get two different red, white, and blue and go with a red, white, and blue theme. I'm all out of red, white, and blue acrylic, I think. I'm going to have to order some of that. So go by fiddlebone.com. Check it out. While you're here, like, share, subscribe. I always tongue twist that up. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, here on YouTube. And that's it for today. So, have a great day.